Hello once again, having a little bit of a clear out, and look what I found. The Universal SCART Camcorder Kit by Micromark. Quality that's guaranteed, yes. Of course it's guaranteed, and it's great because you could back up anything you really wanted to back in them days. I think this is a kit from the 80s. I've had this for a long time. So this is suitable for VHS, Betamax, V2000 videos and VHS-Cs. Connects all types of video, TV, camcorder and hi-fi equipment using a combination of different sockets and plugs. Wow! Hey! Wow! God, look at that! Two video recorders there, a camcorder, and this is all the different connections you get. And the kit comprises of, as you can see, you can feel free to pause the video if you want. I'll give you a so basically, here we go, that's what it comes with, and the quantities. Yes, and yeah, there's the things you really get, but I'm going to be taking a look inside, so don't worry about that. So it comes on one of these really horrible, yeah, and it's clipped together with this, so let's unclip it. Let's take a look inside. Whoa! So there you go. Obviously, it also does come with this. This is laying on top. Is the main lead itself to connect the things together. But problem is, once you unravel it and use it, you can't get it back in the box because you lose all the tyres, the cable tyres or whatever they're called. So here we go. So that will be the main lead. So as you can see a audio video in and an audio video out. Oh, it's falling out. SCART connector, so that will connect to your main lead. If I'm getting them out, there you go. So remember these things. I remember these things. These connect to your if you owned a Betamax back in the day, which I did, well my dad did, you need two of these. It does come with two, or is it just one? I can't remember now. To connect this to another machine. So if you're connecting this to your Betamax, I think it was this. These funny things connected to your VHS. I done it. I know. I used to back up because when we got our VHS recorder in the end, we had to there's certain things. What we did was transferring our VHS tapes, our Betamax tapes, to VHS. So we did need one of these kits, and it did work. Two of these which we didn't use. These are more, I guess, for audio purposes. These things. See that? This, I've never seen this before, so I'm only guessing that could be the V2000. If you got a V2000, let me know. So obviously we've got two of these that come with two of these. Here's the other one. I've fell out. There we are. So it's got one of them, one end, and you just connect it via these, which are obviously connect to your big lead. And you can choose like audio and video. So that nowadays that would be yellow, red and white. So that would be the same principle. Because the thicker one will transfer video signals, where these two transfer audio left and right. So we've got two of them. And what else we got? I think that's it. Oh yeah, this. So that was the video there. I don't know what the purpose of that would be. Maybe actually, would that be from mono to video? mono. Am I talking about mono to stereo or stereo to mono? Because they're audio. So yeah, that'd probably be the case of that. Well, maybe not. Maybe, I don't know. It says on the front, so E. So you see, there's got a key there, so E. So you find E on there, and it'll explain what it is. Oh, E, that's the one. So E will be one phono plug to two phono sockets. Right, so that's what that is. Okay, let's find out what this is. So that would be F. So that would just be pin mini din. Oh, I don't really tell you what it is. So, oh well. So yeah. So this is what you would do to transfer. Maybe in my case was to transfer Betamax to VHS back in the day. I think that's why we bought this kit. So it would have been in the late 80s when we would have bought this kit, because that's when we first owned a VHS. So yeah, it's good to dig this up after all this time. Quite a find actually. Obviously I wouldn't need it nowadays because I do own a VHS recorder still, but transferring tape to tape these days, no, it wouldn't. You wouldn't need it this day and age. But it's good to see that all over again though. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.